Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya kiniki di ba na baki advertisement?
Balay sila penjara la dia. Papinyan kerpang kini. Like link bang kasyulong advertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedla. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bang kasyulong advertisement.com.
Oh, tama. Bilay si Bon.
Usumbun mitrang ba ka jala megalaya ba perston song bakmi ru ya katnat company boarding literate uloong ba ka enforcement directorate kalawan ban Lumjingshai na ka megalaya energy corporation limited MeECL halor bon tilik benta jingtrikam ya ki ba katnat hi kalapan shailot baro dag ba pentep baro kikot kibalapan na ka enforcement directorate ladep ai shibanai menchua halo ka kaifot CAG bat kiwe ki jingkno kibalapan pau nakapor syakapor daga pa Kyntait ru ya kikai pot khubor ki balakam ba ka jingwan khynra ka enforcement directorate kadai halor ka jingko trikam bat bamsap na ka skhim Saubhagya hakabala yo krup ru ya kikot kisla uloong ba ki jingkno kidai ki bamsong norim satya bat ong ba kamdan ka jingkurup ya kikot kisla.
Official communication has taken place way back, I think in the month of October, November 2021. Yes, official communication was there between the Directorate of what enforcement with the office of the MeECL, where the ED office seeking clarification, seeking necessary documents, that was there. And not only that, the office of the MeECL, they furnish whatever required information needed by the ED over there. And then again, even just day before yesterday, few more clarifications, few more documents required. That also we submitted to the office of the ED. So the question of, as I said to you, the question of rate, the question of seizure does not arise at all. And let people also understand, because you need to know one thing, it is not a kind of criminal activities that has happened in MeECL. No such thing happened. But as I said to you, whatever, be it the inquiry committee headed by the retired judge that time, they seek information, they seek documents. Then the office of MeECL, they just furnish it, and then ultimately it is up to them to study such required papers. Right now, I'll not be able to detail everything, because see, when they want any documents, be it the tender documents, be it the tender agreement, be it the tender papers, whatever required, as sought by, we already furnished to the ED. So I cannot say right now what is the necessity for the ED to call on those documents. As I said to you, but we have done our job and we leave it to the ED. We live in a modern world. Be it RTI, be it any agency, in case if they receive any complaint or anything, means they accordingly they will write a letter, they will send a communication to any department, to any concerned corporation or any concerned department, seeking the clarification, as well as maybe going deeper, not only seeking the documentation, maybe they can study nicely, be it the CAG report, because that also includes part of the required information need by the CAG report. According to CAG report, maybe this happened in the MeECL. That also we furnish the information report according to the requirement made by the ED office. We are waiting from the government side, because see, the procedure is like this. The report is submitted to the government under the political department. Okay. Then from the department concerned, they study everything and ultimately they will send it to power department, which I think now very soon we are going to receive that documentation, recommendation, or whatever made by the concerned inquiry committee. So I think very soon we will be able to receive it, because right now we are yet to receive in the department, in my department, in power department. So I'm very sure very soon we will receive this copy of the inquiry report. Whatever required information relating to any documents, be it tender documents, be it tender agreement, and then be it this CAG report, whatever, that has been furnished to the office of the ED. So that has been done, and I don't know yet till now also whether some more documents, some more papers required. That I really don't know yet. But this process has started right from 2020.